Hi, my name is Florian, and I had my procedure with Dr. Blumenthal about a year ago. So I was going bald in the back of my head and also in the crown. So now, after the year, there's been a complete transformation, and my hair looks full and natural. So I can show you really quick. As you can see, it looks full in the back. So I'm very, very happy with the results. It took about 5 months to start seeing results after the surgery. And now a year later, everything looks natural and full. So a special thanks to Dr. Blumenthal and Natural Hair Transplants.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.